I'm going to tell you why Tupac and Jesus are very similar. You ready for this? Find confidence through walking slowly. This is confidence hack number 45 of 365 throughout the year. If you want these written out in an email form to your inbox, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free to start your day off on the right confident foot. Shed so many tears from Tupac. I'm not going to rap this. I'm just going to read this. I shall not fear no man but God. Though I walk through the valley of death, I shed so many tears if I should die before I wake. Thankful that I didn't rap that? Yeah, probably. Confidence through a Tupac rap song. Are you sure, David? Probably what you're thinking right now. Let me first preface that I read the lyrics and I did not rap them, so that alone should give you confidence in me, I hope. I do not have confidence in my rap game, but I digress. The actual boost in the words that we're looking for here, though I walk through. Very similar to a psalm, Psalm 23:4 in the Bible, as discussed earlier in the confidence hacks. Adversity, strife, uncertainty, it surrounds us all. We all go through it, but the answer is clear. Walk through these situations. Don't run through, walk through. Well, why not get through as quickly as I can, you may be asking? Because your test, the struggle, the difficult time you are going through becomes your testimony, what you can share with others to help others. You have made it through every difficult situation you have been through. Think about that. Why would you not make it through the fire you are currently in right now? Now ask yourself the question, which adverse situation, no matter how unbearable it might have felt at the moment, brought you the most fruit on the other side of pain? I'll say that again. What brought you the most fruit on the other side of the pain? The one you tried to frantically scurry through as fast as you could, or the one you embraced and the one that you walked through? I think you know the answer. What you have gained is not only a confidence boost that you can get through the next difficult situation that will come your way, but you can also help others through that similar situation. This is what is known as the epistemic trust, the knowledge that the teacher, you in this situation, have authentically and sympathetically connected with the other going through what you have already experienced. Whether you like it or not, you are a teacher. And if you're thinking right now, I get that, I know I can share my pain for others' gain, but where's the evidence that I can walk confidently if I walk slowly? Human psychological studies have shown that the confident people take larger steps and walk with authority. A wide, slower stride also indicates that you aren't afraid to take up space, suggesting greater confidence, both on the external and on the internal. Ask yourself this, was Jesus ever in a hurry? It's something I think about when I get frantic and rushed, and arguably one of the greatest leaders of all time, Jesus, did spark a movement and scale a movement that began over 2,000 years ago and is still what he created through that Bible book is the best-selling book of all time. Tupac, here's a note for you, has also sold more than 75 million albums, if you were wondering. So Tupac also going slowly started his movement. To answer the question, did Jesus or was Jesus ever in a hurry? No, he walked slowly. That's why I call it the Jesus pace. This mindset that you can get so much done confidently, but walking slowly is the Jesus pace. You don't have to believe that Jesus is the Savior to adopt his calm, cool, collective walking gait. I challenge you to try this. Walk slowly like Jesus did. Next time it feels as if the world is crumbling around you, take a deep breath and just walk slowly. Confidence boost will be awarded. Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything literally anything that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in, and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.